Good morning to all. Welcome to the E-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. Happy New Year to you all, children. Welcome to the New Year 2020-21. I pray to God you should stay healthy at home. Almighty bless with good future and good health. And we think everything good about this new year because we had a very horrible last year. So children, forget about last year, think about future, that is our 2020-21, and include your future with your studies. If you are good in studies, if you are getting good marks in subject, it is sure that your future will be also bright. In this regard, I am going to teach you today's lesson, children. It is for standard 5 children, students, grammar way. Today I am going to teach you grammar lesson 13 for class 5 students. Let's see what is there in this lesson. Future continuous tense. Today's lesson is future continuous tense for class 5 children. We use the future continuous tense for action that will be occurring on going on sometime in future. Means when the work which is going to happen in near future, means it has not happened, it is going to happen maybe tomorrow or next day or next month or next year, it is said to be in future tense. But if it will go on continuing without stopping in future, it is called future continuous tense. Example, I shall be going to Mumbai tomorrow, means I have not gone yet. Tomorrow I shall be going to Mumbai. We will be going to Nainital next week. He will be going to Nainital next week. So he has not gone to Nainital. Next week means it is future tense. Next week he will be going to Nainital. These two sentences shows that they are in future continuous tense. How continuous? Because you can see be and ing. When the verb go is having ing with it, that shows that it is in continuous tense. But when we use shall or will with them, that shows that it is in future continuous tense. Payal and John will be teaching us how to dance for the competition. You can see Payal and John will be teaching. Will be shows that in future, ing shows that it is in future continuous tense. She will be visiting the museum in the afternoon. You can see she will be visiting, it is in future form. The verb is having ing, visit, ing, it is there with the verb, and will be is there, will be shows that it is in future. The sun will be shining brightly soon, means now it is cloudy. In future, within few hours or few minutes, the sun is going to bright, so it is in future form. So will be shining shows that it is future continuous tense. Robin will be playing basketball this weekend, means this weekend you can say Sunday. This Sunday Robin will be going to, means now it is not yet come, Sunday is not yet come, so it will be a future time, so it will be going to play in the next weekend. So Robin will be playing basketball this weekend. So today lesson exercise part. Fill in the blanks with the future continuous tense from the verb in the bracket. Here verb is given in the bracket. You have to change them into future continuous tense. First one, they will be moving to a new area soon as there is no water there. You can see will be moving. This will be verb move ing. Moving shows that it is in future continuous tense. My sister will be embroidering his tablecloth for my grandmother. Third one, he will be growing colorful flowers in his garden. Fourth one, we shall be keeping a track on these activities. Fifth one, the sun will be shining overhead at noon. Sixth one, it will be freezing cold in the Alps during the winter. In this all sentence will be, shall be, verb ing is added. This form of verb is verb along with this form of will be and shall be shows that these are all future continuous tense sentences. B. Rewrite the sentence using future continuous tense. Here also sentences are given. You have to change into future continuous tense. My brother ate porridge for breakfast. When you will write in future continuous tense, it should be my brother will be eating porridge for breakfast. Second one, the shopkeeper gave the child some cookies to munch. Future continuous tense. The sentence will be the shopkeeper will be giving the child some cookies to munch. Third one, my mother scolds me for my carelessness. Future continuous tense, it will be my mother will be scolding me for my carelessness. Fourth one, the driver drove the car at a high speed. Future continuous tense form, it will be the driver will be driving the car at a high speed. In this sentence, you can see will be is added to every verb, that is eat, giving, scolding, driving. These are all verb having ing with them, and before them they are having will be added to them. So this sentence is totally changed into future continuous tense. Third one, also you have to change the sentence, complete this sentence to say what your family member will be doing on Sunday morning, means in the future time, Sunday morning. My mother will be making breakfast for all of us. You can see will be making means not yet made, will be making the breakfast in Sunday. So my father shall be going for morning walk. My father shall be going for morning walk in the Sunday morning. My brother will be servicing his bike. You can see he is going to wash his bike, that's why it is servicing his bike. My sister will be cleaning our bedroom. My sister in Sunday mornings will be busy cleaning our bedrooms. I shall be practicing for my cricket match. I is there, so shall be practicing. My grandmother will be doing her exercise. So you can see will be doing, shall be practicing, will be cleaning, will be servicing, shall be going, and will be making. This form of verb in the sentence change the verb into future continuous tense form. So this lesson is also over, children. And it is very important lesson. You should know what is future continuous tense and how it is applicable to a sentence. Generally we use shall and will to future tense, but when we comes to know about future continuous tense, that time we have to use shall be ing or will be ing form of the verb, or base form of the verb. We have to use ing to them to make the sentence into future tense. Children, thank you for watching this video, and my request to you children, please watch it again and again at home. These lessons are very important for your future as well, not only for exam. So be serious about watching when you are watching the video, because your teachers are doing a lot of work to make these videos so that it will help you regarding your studies. Until we meet in the class, please use them the best possible way. If you minutely listen and you attentively watch this video at home. Bye bye children. Have a good day. God bless you.